Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a table of contents in Google Docs. This is useful when you're making school projects, reports, ebooks, assignments, or long documents, and you want people to easily jump to different sections. Let's start. So first, open your browser and go to docs.google.com. Now, create a new document by clicking blank, or open an existing document that already has headings written inside it. Before we insert a table of content, we need to make sure our document has proper headings, because the table of contents will use those headings to build the links automatically. So highlight the first main topic or title in your document. Then go to the top of the page where you see the text toolbar, click on the box that says Normal Text, and select Heading 1. Do this for each main section title of your document. If you have subheadings under each section, you can turn those into Heading 2 or Heading 3. Once your headings are set, now we can insert our table of contents. Place your cursor at the top of the page or anywhere you want your table of contents to appear. Then go to the top menu and click on Insert. Scroll down and click on Table of Contents. You will see two options, one with page numbers and one with blue links. The page number version will show numbers, and the link version will let readers click to jump to that section. Choose the style you want by clicking it. Once you click, your table of contents will appear instantly based on your headings. If you later add more headings or edit any headings, you can update your table of contents. Just click inside the table of contents, and you will see a circular refresh icon appear. Click it, and it will automatically update to match your document. And that's it. That is how to insert a table of contents in Google Docs. It's super easy and makes your document look more professional and organized. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials like this.